crossroads sign. The crossroad is found on any road. The crossroads sign means there is an intersection ahead with traffic approaching from the left, right and straight ahead. You must therefore prepare to stop to give the right of way to traffic, even if there are no traffic lights, or a stop sign, or give way sign. The major road always has the right of way, but if you're driving on the major road of an intersection, don't go past intersections without precaution, reduce your speed, or even stop when necessary. Watch for other drivers' intentions by observing their change in speed and their road position. Typical examination question. Choose the warning sign. The hospital ahead. B. Crossroads ahead. C. Two-way traffic. The correct answer is B.